Hello, myself Gyas, aptitude trainer at SP Global Solution branch, Hyderabad. Today I am just explaining a very important technique and basic point for the area. Okay, so this is the first part of video of area. We will deal about a square, area of a square in a basic and you can say tricky way. So how many type of questions can be asked from the square? So you see here. So you know a square is a four-sided figure whose all sides are equal. So first basic formula is what? That is area. So area of a square is side square and you can write a square. If there is a side a, then this is a square. So area of a square is side a square, that is a square. In the similarly, that is perimeter of a square. So perimeter of a square is what? 4 into side. So this is 4a. And similarly that is diagonal of a square. So diagonal of a square is what? That is root 2 into side. Okay, so these three are the basic formula. Area of a square, side a square, perimeter of square 4 into side, diagonal of a square root 2 into side. If we want to side, that is side. So side equal to what? If your area is given, then a square root of area, right? If area is given, a square root of area. If perimeter is given, then perimeter divide 4, and if diagonal is given, then you can use diagonal upon root 2. So side of a square, finding three formula here. If area of a square is given, we use a square root of area, and if perimeter is given, then we use perimeter by 4, and if diagonal is given, we will use diagonal by root 2. So these are the basic formulas. In the type 1 we are dealing the basic formula based question, and then after type 2 we go for the different technique questions of the square. So this is the basic formula of square. So now you see, just like a first question. First question is what? Side. This is the very basic question. This type of questions are generally asked in the exams. Side of a square is given 25 meter. Then find its area. So you know area of a square. So area of a square is what? That is side square. And in the question, side is given. Side is given 25 meter. So this is 25 meter square. So you know 25 meter square. So in the section of the short video, you can say we have given a lot of technique for a squaring of the number. So you can watch this video also. Here we are also explaining how can you find the square. So this is the 25 meter square. So if you want to find the square of the any number whose unit digit is 5. So this is 5. So you can write 5 square 25. And now the remaining digit is 2. So remaining digit multiplied next. So this is the 2. So you can use 2 into 3. That is 6. So no, everyone know that is 25 meter square is what? That is 6 to 5 whole square. So this is the very important technique for a squaring. We have already explained in the other video. So just like you see here, giving you some example, just like this is 35 square. You can use the technique. This is the 5. So this is 25. And now this is 3. So multiply this 3 by 4. So 3 4 ja 12. 1225 is your answer. In the same way, suppose this is 95 whole square. So this is 5. So this is 25. And this is 9. So this is 9 into 10. That is 90. In this way, you can find any number whose unit digit is 5. We can find a square of this digit with the help of this technique. Okay. And you see, if the number is, we are explaining again squaring main. So if there is any number whose unit digit is not 5, just like you see here, number is 21 square. Okay, and your number is suppose 24 square. Your number is suppose 82 square, right? So these number have no unit digit. So how can we find a square of this number? So this is, you see here, this is the master formula. We can find a square of any number whose unit digit is 1, whose unit digit is 4, whose unit digit 2, and whose unit digit you can say that is 5 also. We can use this by taking any number. So this is 21. So you 1 and 2. So 1 s square is 1, and then second step is 2 into first into second. 2 1 ja 2, 2 ja 4. Okay, and this is 2 square 4. So this is your right answer. In the same way 24. So 4 square 16, and 2 into first into second. So 2 4 ja 8, 2 ja 16, and again 2 2 4 4 ja 16, carry 1. 2 4 ja 8, 2 ja 16, and 1 17. So this is 7. Again 2 2 ja 4. So this is 5 plus 5. 2 2 ja 4, and we have carry 1. So that is 5 7. See. Again this is 82. So 2 square 4, and 2 into first into second. So 2 2 ja 4, 8 ja 32, and 8 square 64, and carry 3 67. And you know 35 already, you know the answer, because 5 square 24 and 3 4 ja 12. But we are solving this question by technique, master technique. 5 square 25. Then 2 into 5 10, into 3 30, carry 2 32. 3 3 are 9, 3 12. 1 3 1 2 2 5 is the right answer. Okay. So we have explained lot of technique for squaring the numbers. You can find this video in our playlist aptitude tips. So now area is side square, that is our answer is 625. Now come to the second point. This is the second question, perimeter. So you know perimeter of square equal to 4 into a, that is 4 into side. So side is given 25 meters, so we can use 4 into 25, that is 100 meter, your right answer. In the same way we have to find diagonal. So you know diagonal of a square, equal to root 2 into side. So we have side, how much side given 25. So this is root 2 into 25, that is 25 root 2 meter. Okay, but this is 25 root 2 meter. If there is a option, in option the answer is in decimal, so you have to change this number in the decimal. So you know well that is root 2 is what, 1.414. So you can use 25 into root 2 value 1.414. So now we have to multiply this number by 25. So we have already discussed about the technique. How can we multiply any large number in a good way, in a easy way, in a short way? So see here first. So just like you see, you know well 25 into 4 is what, 100. Okay, but now we are using technique for multiplying 25 by 100. So forget this 25. Okay, only remember this 4. So just take 2 0 in front of 4, this become 4. So 400 by 4 is what, 100. So your answer is 100. In the same way any number, just like 25 into 9. Okay, so we want to multiply 25 by 9. Basic is what, 9 5 ja 45, and 9 2 ja 18, and 4 22. This is the basic method. Our answer is this. But now we are explaining what is the technique for multiplying any number by 25. Forget this number 25 and only put 2 0 in front of 9 and go for division 4. If you will divide 900 by 4, 4 2 ja 8, 1 carry 10, 4 2 ja 8, 1 carry 2, 20, 4 5 ja 20. So your answer 225 is correct. So now you are ready to solve any large number when you multiply by 25. You see here, just like we are going to multiply 20 by this number 9 6 7 8 9 5, multiply 25. This is the very large number. If we multiply this number by 25, we get lot of time. So technique is what, forget this number and only put 2 0 in front of this, and then divide this number by 4. It is very easy. 4 2 ja 8, 1 carry 16, 4 4 ja 16, again 4 1 ja 4, 3 carry 38, 4 9 ja 36, Again 2, 29, 4 7 ja 28, 1 go 15, 4 3 ja 12, 3 go 30, 4 7 ja 28, 4 5 ja 25. This is your right answer. In this way you can find any large number by multiplying by 25. Now come to the point. Our question is here what? My question is here 25 into 1.414. We are multiplying this number by 25 with a technique in mind. So when we forget this number and we go for this 100 so this point will come here. Okay, so this will be 141.4. Then dividing by 4 we get 4 3 ja 12, 2 remainder 21, 4 5 ja 20, 1 14, 4 3 ja 12, 4 5. So answer is what? 35.35 meters. So in this way you can use this technique for multiplying 25 anywhere. So this is the right answer. Diagonal of a square 25 root 2 meter is correct answer, and if there is a decimal answer then 35.35 meter is correct answer. Now come to the next point, that is the question number 2. Question 2 is area of a square is given 441 meter square, then find the side. So you know well, area of a square is given 441 and area of a square is what? Side square. So this is side whole square equal to what? 441. So side equal to what? A square root of 441. Now this is the square root. We have explained lot of technique for finding the square root and then lot of trick for finding the square root. So you see here some technique. How can we find a square root of 441? There are so many methods for finding the square root of 441, basic and trick. So you know basic method is what? Just like 441. We go for factor first. 3 1 ja 3, 1 go here 14, 3 4 ja 12, 21, 3 7 ja. Again 3 4 ja 12 and 2 27, 3 9 ja, 7 7 ja 14. So you can say finding a square root, make a pair, 2 pair and 2 pair. So our 2 3 gives only 1 3 and 2 7 give only 1 7. So this is what? 3 into 7 21. So our correct answer is 21. This is the basic method. Okay, so basic method, first you find factor and then make pair. So this is the 3 into 3 one pair. So this give 1 3 and 7 into 7 second pair. This give 1 7. So your answer is 3 into 7 21. Okay. Now you see the same technique. How can we find a square root of this number? By a technique. So technique is what? Just like 4 4 1. So finding a square root by technique, first step is what? Make pair of 2 from last. So this is the last number, make pair. Now check unit digit is 1. So check, we have 10 digits, 0 1 2 3 to 9. Check whose square comes first. So 1 square is 1. So if the answer of this will be number whose unit digit is 1. In the same way, 9 square 81. So the answer of this will be a number whose unit digit will be 9. Okay, so now we have unit digit 1 and now. Okay, now there is a number 4. So you know 2 square 4. So write 2 here, write 2 here. This is the complete square. So a smaller one is your answer. So answer is what? 21 is correct answer. In this way you can find any number. Suppose we are getting other number. Okay, so just like you see 7225, we want to find a square root of this number. Again technique is what? Pair. 1 pair 25. So this is the 5. So only unit digit will be 5. Answer of this number will be that number whose unit digit 5. Now there is a 72 left. So check whose square is 72. So 8 square 64 and 9 square 81. So 9 is greater. So we'll take a smaller. So this is 85. So our answer is 85. So this is the rule for finding a square root. So there is a video in the you can say aptitude tips playlist, you can check. So now we have come to the question. So here the question was side square 441. So side is a square root of 441. We have found the square root by the two method. There is a 21 meter is correct answer. So this is the correct answer for first part. Now second point. So second point we have to find perimeter. So you know perimeter of a square is what? That is 4 into side. So 4 into we have side 21 meter. So 4 into 21, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So 84 meter is your right answer. And third part is what? Diagonal. So you know the formula of diagonal of a square, root 2 into again side. So here side is what? 21. So root 2 into 21, that is 21 root 2 meter is your correct answer. So this is the right answer. If the answer is in the point decimal, you can use this technique, that is root 2 equal to 1.414. This is the value. You multiply this number by 21, you will get your answer in decimal. Now come to the question number 5. All are the basic point. If you go for all this question, you will get a lot of concept for this type of question of a square. Perimeter of a square is what? 100 meter. Find its side, area and diagonal. So here perimeter of a square is given. So you know if perimeter of a square is given, then side equal to what? Perimeter divided by 4. So perimeter, here we have written here the formula, that means side is what? Perimeter is given, you can use perimeter by 4. So here perimeter by 4, perimeter is 100 meter. So this is 100 by 4. So this is 4 2 ja 8, 2 carry 20, 4 5 are 20. So your answer is 25 meter, correct answer. Again second question is area. So we have to find area. Area again you know that is side square. So side is given 25. So this is 25 square. So you know 25 again technique, 5 is 25 and 2 3 is 6. So 625 meter square is your right answer. Again third one we have to find diagonal. So you know diagonal formula is what? Root 2 into side. And here side is what? 25. So this is root 2 into 25. So 25 root 2 meter is your right answer. Now this is the question number 4. Question 4 is what? Diagonal of a square is given and find the side, area and perimeter. So you know if diagonal is given, then side equal to what? Side equal to, that is diagonal divided by root 2. So diagonal is here 16 root 2. So this is 16 root 2 divide root 2. This is cancel. So your answer is what? 16 meter. And second one is what? We have to find area. So you know area is what? Side square. So side is 16. So use this technique, 16 square 256 meter square. And third one is what? That is perimeter. So you know perimeter of a square, 4 into side. So side is given 16. So this is side is given 16. So 4 into 16, that is 64 meter. This is the right answer. So in this way we have solved this all this question from the basic formula, and we have explained there is a technique for a squaring and technique for a square root also. Now this is the question number type 2, and this is also very important question. Type 2 is what? If side of a square is increased by 10%, find the percentage increase in area. So we can solve this question by a basic method and a tricky method both. So first you see what is the tricky method of this question, how can we save our time in this question. So what is the trick for this type of question? Question is what? If side of a square is increased by 10%, then find percentage increase in area. So trick is percentage increase in area equal to 2x plus x square by 100. What is x? X is the given percentage increase. Here 10% increase. It is the given percentage increase. So in question there will be a given percentage increase, that is called x. So here 10% increase, so we can use x equal to 10. So this is the 2 multiply 10 plus 10 square upon 100. So this is what 10 to the 20 plus 10 square is 100, and this is also 100. So this is cancel out, that is 1. So 20 plus 1 is what? 21%. This is the correct answer. So for this type of question, if side of a square increased by certain percent, any percent is given, 10%, 15%, any percent is given, we can find percentage increase area by the technique 2x plus x square by 100. What is x? It is given percentage increase. So here 10%, this is the right answer. You can use the other technique also. Suppose this is the trick 1 and this is trick 2. So we can solve this question by the other technique also. So for this type of question, suppose total is 100. Now you know increase means increase percent, that is 100 plus 10, and decrease percent 100 minus. So here 10% increase. So we can write 110 by 100. But this is the area, so area is side into side. So we take 110 by 100 into 110 by 100. So this 100 cancel out, and this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. So now you will get 11 into 11, 121. So again you see there are a lot of technique to find this type of question, just like 11 square. We have already explained in the other videos, you can check. So this is 11 square. If this is a 3 times 111 square, and if this is a 1111 square. So this is a technique. So technique is different. Technique is only for particular question. So if there is a technique, if there is only one repeated. So this is the 2 times 1. So technique is what? Right counting up to 2 and then go reverse. That 11 is given. So 11. So right counting, there are 2 times 1. So write 1, 2 and go reverse. Left the 2 and go reverse. That is 1. So your answer is 1, 2, 1. Similarly, 1, 1, 1, 3 times. So again you go counting up to 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. And left this last number and write remaining. So left the last 3 and write 2, 1. So your answer is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. In the same way, 4 times 1. Counting up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left this 4 and write remaining 3, 2, 1. So this is the way for finding a squaring of any numbers which have only 1. So we can use this technique here. If you know the technique, you can use 11 into 11, that is 1 to 1, that is the correct answer. So in this way we can use this technique. So if you want to go for this technique, you see the video for this techniques. So this is the 1 to 1, this is the right answer. So now you see if your answer is greater than 100, then there is a increase in area, and if there is a less than 100, then there is a decrease in area. So here greater. So our answer is what? 121 minus 100, that is 21% increase. So this is your correct answer. So here also 21% increase, here also 21% increase. But if we go for this question by a very basic way, it will take a lot of time. So what is the basic way for this question? You see. So if we go for basic ways, you suppose side A1, initial side A1 is what? That is 100. Okay. So area will be what? Area A1 will be 100 multiply 100. You will get 10,000. Okay. Now suppose area increase by 10%. So new area will be, side will be 110. So new area will be, A2 will be side into side, that is 110 into 110, that is 121 right. Now we have to find increase in area, so a2 minus a1, so this is 12100 minus 10,000 original 0, it will give you how much, that is 2100, so this is 2100. Now percentage increase, percentage increase in area equal to what, this is 2100 into 100 divided by original is just 10,000, so this is 10,000, so this 20 cancel, this 2, your answer is what, 21%. In this way we can solve this question by a basic method also, but you go for only trick because trick will save your time. So now there is a third type. In this question, if side of a square is decreased by 20%, then find the percentage decrease in area. For this type of question, again you have a technique. So what is the trick? So trick for this type of question is what? Minus 2x plus x square by 100. If side of a square decrease by certain percent, and we have to find percentage decrease in area, go for this technique, minus 2x plus x square by 100. So what is x? X is the decrease in percentage, so here x is 20%, so minus 2 into 20, and this is what, that is 20 square by 100. So this will give minus 40 upon plus 20 square is 400 by 4. This is cancelled. So you will get minus 40 plus 4. That is minus 36. So minus shows the decrease. So your answer is simply 36% decrease. Okay. So this is the technique for this type of question when percentage is given in decrease. Side of a square decrease by 20%. Then we have to find percentage decrease area. Use this technique, minus 2x plus x square by 100. You can use the trick number 2 also. So for this question you can use this trick also, that is suppose 100. Here decrease means 100 minus. So 20% decrease, 100 minus 20, that is 80. So this is 80 by 100 into 80 by 100. So 20% decrease, 100 minus 20, 80. Now this 0 cancel and this 2 0 also cancel. You get 64. So now it is less than 100. So if the answer is less than 100, it is decrease in area. So 100 minus 64. Whatever. So So 100 minus 64, that is 10 minus 4 6, and 9 minus 36. 10 minus 4 6, this is 9 minus 6, that is 36%. So this is your right answer. So in this way you can solve this type of question by the trick number 1 also and trick 2. But don't go for basic because it will take a lot of time. So this is the type number 3 question. Now you see type number 4. This is the type 4 question first. If side of a square increase by 10%, find the percentage in the perimeter. So this is a question, very important question, is the conceptual question from theoretical question you can say. Okay. And this type of question are generally asked in interviews and placement. So what is the question? Side of a square increase by 10%. So find the percentage increase in perimeter. So you know what is perimeter? So you know perimeter is what? 4 into side. So side and perimeter is what? Directly proportional. Perimeter and side is directly proportional. So if you can say if side will increase 10%, then perimeter will also increase by 10%. So our answer is 10% increase. This is the correct answer. So you can find answer only by basic concept, that is perimeter is 4 into side and perimeter is directly proportional to the side. So if side will increase 10%, then perimeter will increase 10%. In the same way, if side decrease by 10%, the perimeter will also decrease by 10%. Now you see type 4 second question. If side of a square is increased by 20%, find percentage increase in diagonal. Again you know what is diagonal. So there is a basic formula of diagonal is what? Root 2 into side. Again this side and diagonal have a directly proportional. This diagonal and this side have a directly proportional. If diagonal will increase, side will increase same proportion. So here side of a square increase by 20%. So diagonal will also increase by 20%. So our answer is same, that is increased by 20%. This is the correct answer. So this is very important concept. Go for the basic formula. Diagonal root 2 into side. Side and diagonal directly proportional. So if side increase 20%, diagonal will increase 20%. Now question, that is type number 5 question. So type number 5 questions also very important of a square question. See, the question is find the cost for flooring the garden if garden is a square of side 200 meter. Then rate of flooring is given 150 meter square. For this type of question, the most important is first to read question carefully. Find the cost for flooring the garden is find the cost for flooring the garden if garden is square of side, that is side of garden is given 200 meter, which is square, and this is the rate of flooring is given. So rate of flooring is 150 per meter square. This so that is the area. So for this type of question, there is a simple technique is what? That is cost equal to, cost equal to area into rate. So for this type of question, we have to find the cost. So cost is what? Area into rate. Now area of a square is what? Side square. So side is given 200 meter square. So this is 200 area, that is 200 square. And now rate is given what? 150 per meter square. So just multiply by 150 because area is meter square and this is 150 per meter square cancel out. So 200 square into 150. Now 200 square is what? 2 square 4. So this is 4 and 4 times 0. And this is 150. Okay. So this is 15 4 ja 60 and there is a 15 4 ja 60 and 450. So this is 50. So this is your correct answer. This is rupees. So for this type of question, only find out that when side of a square is given and we have flooring rate is given, we have to find the cost. Then cost equal to what? Area into rate. So area is what? 200 square into rate is given 150. So this is 4 and this is 4 times 0 into 150. 15 4 ja 60 and this is 40 and this is 1. So 50. This is your right answer. Now the type number 6 is also very important question and very important concept. Lot of students are confused for this section. So see, type number 6 is what? Circumradius of a square. So circumradius of a square is what? This is a circumradius of a square. You can say R. R equal to what? A by root 2. Okay. How this A by root 2? See, suppose this is a circumradius of a square means there is a circle all around the square. So suppose this is a circle and this is a square. So in this way, first you find this is okay. So this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. So ABCD is a square. Now this is the center of the circle. So when we connect this line, that is BD is what? Diagonal of the BD is what? Diagonal of the square. And you can say diameter of the circle. So this is the diagonal and also diameter of the circle. So suppose this square have side A. So this is A, this is A, this is A and this is A. So BD equal to what? BD is what? This is the diagonal. So this is perpendicular, that is A square, plus base, that is A square. So you know A square plus A square is what? That is 2A square, right? So 2A square, so 2 is root 2 and A square is A. So this is what? A root 2. So BD is what? Diameter. So diameter is A root 2. Then radius will be how much? Half of diameter. So this is A root 2 by 2, right? So this is A root 2 by 2. When we rationalize this number, that is root 2 by 2. So how much it will become? That is A into 2 upon 2 root 2. So this 2 cancel. You will get A by root 2. So this is the final radius of the circumradius of the square. So you learned this technique because this is a technique. You learned this. Circumradius of a square is what? A upon root 2, where A is the side of the square. No need to solve this. But here for only understanding how this come, radius of circumference A by root 2, so you can find and understand this. But for examination point of view, only you have to learn circumradius of a square, that is R is A by root 2. Now you see from this topic there is a question. What is question? If side of a square is given 4 meter, then find the radius of circumference. So those students who have no idea about this formula, circumradius of circle is A by root 2. So he will make a base. You can say from basic it will take a lot of time. But if you know radius of circumference is A by root 2, radius of circumference, you know this is A by root 2. Then you can find answer very easily because side is given 4 and this is root 2. So you can slide this root 2 by root 2. So you will get 4 root 2 by 2. That is 2 2 is 4. So your correct answer is what? 2 root 2 meter. So main funda is what? Radius of circumference formula is A by root 2. So when you know this formula, you can find this type of question very easily only by seeing the question. Because side is given 4, so radius of circumference will be A by root 2, that is 4 by root 2. Now we have rationalized this section, so multiplying root 2 numerator and denominator. So you will get 4 root 2 and root 2 into root 2, 2. So 2 2 is 4, 2 root 2 meter is correct answer. In the same way, the second question is what? If side of a square is given 10 root 2, then find the radius of the circumference of the circle. Again you know radius of circumference of circle, that is R. Radius of circumference of circle, that is R is what? A upon root 2. Okay. So A upon root 2, A is given 10 root 2 and this is root 2. So this root 2 cancel out. So radius of circumference will be how much? That is 10 meter. Okay. In the same way, now there is a question type 7 and this is very important question. Lot of exam in different exam this type of questions are generally asked. So what is the question? The area of 2 square are in the ratio of A1 A2 because area of 2 square is given in the ratio of A1 A2 and you have to find the ratio of their perimeter. So you know if ratio of areas are given, then how can we find ratio of their perimeter? So perimeter is what? 4 into side, 4 is constant. So that is ratio of side. So this is the right answer. Ratio of their perimeter will be how much? That is the ratio of their, you can say that is ratio of their square root of area. So this is a square root of A1 and a square root of A2. So this is the simple technique when 2 squares area ratio is given and we have to find ratio of their perimeter. Then only answer is what? A square root of the area 1 and the second ratio a square root of the area 2. So for example, see this question. Area of 2 square are in the ratio of 25 ratio 36. Okay. Then we have to find ratio of their perimeter. So area of 2 square are in the ratio of 25 and 36. Then find ratio of their perimeters. So if you know the technique, that is perimeter ratio is what? A square root of area ratio. So you can write this answer in a very easy way, that is perimeter 1 and ratio perimeter 2 equal to what? A square root of area 1 and ratio a square root of area 2. So here area 1 is given 25 ratio and this is 36. So correct answer is 5 ratio 6. So this is the right answer. So whenever the ratio of 2 square, area of 2 square is given, then ratio of their perimeter will be a square root of their areas. So areas 1 ratio area 2, that is 25 ratio 36. So 5 ratio 6 is your correct answer. So this type of question, only by seeing the question you can find the answer. If you know this technique, because ratio of areas is given, we have to find ratio of their perimeter, only find the ratio of their areas. So 25:36 ratio will be 5 ratio 6. So our correct answer is 5 ratio 6. Okay. So now goes type number 8. So this type number 8 question is what? Say side of a square field is 10 meter, 2 meter wide path were made all around the field from outside. Then find the area of path. Then we have to find the area of path. This type of questions are generally asked in the question. How can we solve this type of the question? That is a very easy method. A side of a square field is 10 meter and 2 meter wide path around were made all around the field from outside, find area. So you see from figure first, we just like this is a square A, B, C, D, right? And now the side of a square is given 10 meters. Suppose this is 10 meter, all sides are given 10. So this is 10 meter, this is 10 meter, this is 10 meter. Okay. And now path we are made all around the field from outside. So this is 2 meter wide path. Suppose this is 2 meter wide path. So this is 2 meter wide path. Suppose this is A dash, this is B dash, C dash and D dash. So this is 2 meter wide, that is this is 2 meter and this is also 2 meter. In the same way, this is 2 meter and this is also 2 meter. So we have to find the area of this path. So what is the trick for this type of question? See here. So area of path equal to what? So you know ABCD, this is the circular field. And now when there is a 2 meter path outside the field, then this is a large, you can say square A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. So area of path will be what? Area of A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash minus area of ABCD. Okay. So what will be A dash, B dash? So first you see that is area of A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash minus area of ABCD. So area of ABCD, what? This is a square, that is the side square. So this is 10 meter and this is 2 meter, this is 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. So 10 plus 4. So this is the technique. When the side is given 10, then you plus 2 times of the width. So width is given 2 meter. So this is 10 plus 2 2 ja 4. So this is 10 plus 4 whole square minus, now this is 10. So this is simply 10 square. So your answer is what? 10 plus 4, 14. So this is 14 square and minus 10 square. So 14 square, you know. So I have told lot of technique for the squaring. So this is 14 square, you know well, 14 square is 196. So this is 196 minus 10 square, that is 100. So our correct answer is what? 96 meter square. So what is the technique? The side of a square field is given 10 meter and 2 meter wide path were made all around field from the outside. That is sometime inside, sometime outside. So this is the outside. When path is outside, Then what is the trick? Side plus twice of this path. So 2 2 ja 4. So 10 plus 4, that is 14 square. And minus original side 10, that is original side square. So 14 square minus 10 square, your right answer, that is 196 minus 100 is 96 meter square. So this is a very simple technique. If the side is given 10 meter and path is given 2 meter, and that is path is all around outside from the ground. So outside, so twice of path, that is 2 into 2 4. So 10 plus 4 14. 14 square minus original, that is 10 square. That's the answer. Now you see type number 9 for the same question here, but here inside. If side of a square field is 10 meter and 2 meter wide path were made inside the field. Here you can say path is inside. Then what is the technique? So for this there are two type of question: outside field and inside field. Path will be from inside and sometime outside. When outside, then this question. When inside, then what will you do? See. So again, that is area of path equal to, when you can say path is from inside the field. Then trick is what? First you take original, that is 10. So here 10 square minus. Now this is 10 and 2 meter wide. So this is 10 minus twice of the width. So 2 2 ja 4. So 10 minus 4 whole square. Simple technique. At first you take given original side, that is 10 square, and then minus original side minus twice of the width given. So width is 2, so 2 2 ja 4. When width is 3, 3 2 ja 6. So here 2 meter wide given, so 2 into 2 4. So 10 minus 4 whole square. So our correct answer will be what? That is 10 square, and this is 10 minus 4, that is 6 square. So 10 square is 100 and this 6 square is 36. So our correct answer is 10 minus 6, that is 4, and 9 minus 3, that is 6. So 64 meter square is correct answer. So if the path is made inside, then our answer will be simple technique: side of original square minus original side minus twice of path whole square. So original is given 10, so twice of path 4. So 10 minus 4 whole square. So 10 square minus 6 whole square, 100 minus 36, that is 64 is correct answer. So understood, you have cleared these two questions, because this is outside the field path, there is a inside the field path. Now come to the next point, that is the rectangle. We have solved this 8 type of question from the square. Now we are starting next, that is the rectangle. So you know what is the rectangle? Rectangle is a 4-sided figure whose opposite sides are equal and you can say parallel, and each angle is what? That is 90 degree. So each angle is 90 degree. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. This is length, so this is also length, because opposite sides are equal and parallel. And this is breadth, so this is also breadth. And all these angles are 90 degree. All these angles are 90 degree. Okay. And if we connect this opposite side BD and this is AC, then it is what? Diagonal of the rectangle. So what is the basic formula of this rectangle is? First you find area. So area of rectangle is what? That is length into breadth. So in this area, length and breadth, 3 terms are given. So when in this 3 any 2 is given, we can find the third one. So if length is given, breadth is given, we can find area. And if area given, length given, we can find breadth. How? So we can find this way: breadth equal to what? That is area upon length. In the same way, suppose breadth is given, you can find L, that is area upon breadth. So in this way, this is the master formula: area equal to length into breadth. Area, length, breadth, 3 terms, 2 terms are given, we can find third term very easily. In the same way, next is what? Perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle is what? 2 into length plus breadth. In this formula also there are three terms: perimeter, length, breadth. So when length and breadth is given, we can find easily perimeter by this formula, twice of into length plus twice of length plus breadth. But when you can say perimeter is given and we have to find length or breadth. So simple technique is what? First you divide this perimeter by 2. So if we want to find length, then what is length? Length equal to first, this is perimeter divide 2, okay, and then minus breadth. So first divide this perimeter by 2 and the subtract breadth, you will get length. In the same way, if you want the breadth, then breadth is what? Perimeter by 2 minus length. In this way we can find length, breadth or perimeter. Among these three any two is given, we can find third one. In the same way, if this is a diagonal, so what is the diagonal formula? Diagonal equal to, you know, diagonal is what? BD. So diagonal equal to, you can say BD, and this BD equal to what? L square plus B square root under. So again here diagonal is what? L length square plus breadth square root under. So if diagonal, length and breadth, three terms are here, any two terms are given, we can find third terms very easily. So how can we find? In the same way, just like this is the diagonal, first go for a squaring. So suppose diagonal is D. So this is D square, then this root will become removed. So this is L square plus B square. So when diagonal is given and length is given, we can find breadth very easily. That is breadth equal to what? Diagonal square minus length square root under. In the same way, if diagonal is given and breadth is given, we can find length. Length equal to what? D square and minus breadth square root under. So again, this is the master formula. Diagonal equal to a square root of length square plus breadth square. So squaring both sides, we get diagonal square, length square plus breadth square. When in these three any two is given, we can find third one. So B is what? Root under D square minus L square root, or L equal to D square minus B square. Now see very basic formula of this concept of rectangle, because this type of questions are general. We are solving the question in this video from 0 to high level, okay. So we have solved the question of a square in the same way. Now we start a rectangle. The basic question is first one, depend upon this formula. After that we go for the technique question. So here length and breadth of a rectangle are 8 meter and 6 meter. We have to find area. This is the basic question. You know, first is area. So we have learned this area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. So length is given 8 meter, breadth is given 6 meter. So our answer is 46 meter square. This is the correct answer. In the same way, we have to find perimeter. So perimeter formula is what? Twice of length plus breadth. Again length is given and breadth is given. So this is twice of what is length? Length is 8 meter and breadth is 6 meter. So this is 2 into 14. So 14 to the 28 meter. It is our right answer. In the same way, we have to find diagonal. So this is diagonal formula. You know diagonal equal to what? A square root of L square plus breadth square. So L square is, L is given 8 meter. So this is 8 square. Breadth given 6, that is 6 square. So root under 8 square plus 6 square, that is 64 plus 36. That is 100. You know a square root of 100 is what? 10 meter. So our correct answer is 10 meter. So this is the type first of the rectangle question. After that we will go for the part 2 of area, in which we will go for the rectangle and other section also. So now we have solved this in this video up to the type 8, type 9 of the square and type 1 of the rectangle. So you go through from every question from starting to end, then you will understood what is the basic of this area section and what is the important techniques. So if you will watch all this question, then you will understood. So those students who have not subscribed till now, so subscribe our channel SP Global Solution, because in this channel we are giving all fully, you can say fully syllabus of aptitude, you can say chapter wise, just like we are dealing in this time area. So in area we will go for every section, just like square, rectangle, and after that there is a triangle, rhombus, and everyone. Thank you.